Hi, hello, welcome back. Today we are doing a little project with a little wooden box that I found amongst all my things that I think that I've had for quite some time, and I've decided that maybe it's time to do something with it. So we will see where this is taking us. I have not planned anything ahead. I have not decided what exactly I want to do with it. So you are welcome to join me in this crazy little journey with this wooden box. Just before I forget, I just want to apologize for the bad lighting and all the background sounds that you are hearing. Um, as you know, I am in South Africa and we are having load sheddings and all sorts of funny things at the moment. So please bear with me. I am making do with whatever lighting I can get my hands on, sorry, under the electricity situation. So yes, come, let's go. Like I said, I have not really planned. I just came across this little box, as you can see, and we have some clay, some bits and bobs, and some paints. We will see. Okay, so as you all know, I don't normally talk throughout my videos. Today is just a little bit of an exception. If you feel that your clay might have dried out a bit, I would suggest that you break it into smaller pieces. That's more manageable. It seems like this clay has really dried out a lot, so I will have to work with it a little bit. Oh my goodness, this is not good. So anyway, I do not have one of those rollers, clay things that makes your clay softer. I will have to do it manually and add bit by bit and just work with it and make it more pliable. At the moment I'm just making a lovely mess. Okay, so as you can see, we have a lovely mess over here. I do advise, you can see the clay is much more pliable now, much more easier to work with. Okay, so the thing is to keep your clay moist. If you should maybe work on something else in the meantime. First I need to clean my surface and then we will continue. Okay, so I want to show you, I'll show you now what I've decided to do with this. If you do not have all the right equipment, this is something nice to work with, especially, oh goodness, to make bricks. This is a very good product to work with. It's your standard polystyrene tray that you maybe buy vegetables or meats in. So we are just going to just get my ruler. Okay, so what you can do, it's absolutely your preference. You can either just mark your preferred, just get into view. Okay, you can either mark the size that you want just by doing this. Then obviously just cut straight along the lines, or you can just score it and then cut it with a scissor. The nice thing about this is it does not have to be perfect, number one. And number two, I'll show you. I know this is not perfect. Like I said, it does not have to be perfect. It's always better to have bigger and smaller bricks to give more contrast and make it look more realistic. I'll read one off my marks here. But let's continue. So I'm just going to cut my little bricks. Yes, on the flip side it's very dull, and on this side it's got a very like a glimmery effect. Okay, sorry. Now I'm just going to work on the lines of my cutting mat, more or less, not 100%. But like I said, it does not have to be perfect. We are going to cut them small. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut them like this. Now, making your own little bricks takes forever. So you can make a bunch of them in advance and keep them, up to you. Or okay, some people use clay to make their own bricks, but yes, this is a process. Okay, so as you can see, I have only cut a few. You don't need too many, because the little wooden box that we're working with is a bit small. So, and we are also going to create little windows. Just cut them all the way through, and they do tend to, with the gloves, become a little bit static. So, okay. So there we go. We've got some bricks over here. Now, what I normally do is I throw them in a little box or a container, and then I add just some rough stones with them, or you can use some foil, and then just after you've stuck them onto your little box, you can just press with the foil and make little indents. So, okay. Okay, so the box have dried a little bit, and you can see where I have touched with with my clumsy hands. So I'm just going to give it another coat, just to get it nice and even. Sorry. Bring my feet back. This box has been lying around for, I think, the best part of 2 years, and I can't even remember where I got it from. So I just decided that I've had it long enough. Let me do something with it. Okay, I'm going to put it off to the side, let it dry, and I will be back shortly. So it's been a day. We have had some crazy electricity cuts yesterday, so I've decided to give it a break and continue today. So where we were last time is I was busy giving it the box a second coat, and as you can see, it looks much better. I have in the meantime found another little box and started painting it. The plan with this, let me just give you an update. I've decided that maybe this would be a nice little trinket box. So the plan with the little shutter windows that I had is out the window. So we are making a little trinket box that I will decorate, and we'll see how it goes. So let's continue. I just want to say, for those of you who might be thinking that, you know, painting or creating something from something else is not really your cup of tea, I thought the same way a while ago when when I just started watching YouTube videos. Even before I decided to do my own content, I thought to myself, these people must have such amount of time on their hands to be able to do all these little things. And you will be surprised that how much there is in creating something for yourself.